Hey everyone, Brandon here. Hope you're doing well. So today we have another unboxing. This unboxing is for my new cooking channel. It's pretty much Be Cooking Basics. So pretty much I'm going to teach people how to cook, just the basics, nothing super fancy or anything like that, because you know, you'd be surprised how many people don't know how to cook, or they don't know how to cook very well. So this is definitely going to be helpful for it. This is the Royal Craft. So this is the cutting board that I got, and of course the sharpening stone here. I just decided to do both of them at the same time just because, why not? They're the same company. So this is the sharpening stone. It does weigh a pretty good amount because, well, it is a sharpening stone, so that's the point of it. And this right here is your angle guide. So you're going to use this to get the perfect angle for your knife that you're trying to sharpen. And then here we have the 1000 grit stone. So this is going to be for your more finer stuff. Or this is more coarse and this is more fine. This is your 6000. So what you're gonna do is, if you want a sharpening stone kit like this, you put this stone in the water, you soak it for a little bit, you take it out, and that's gonna give that nice smooth sharpening instead of having really jagged lines on your knife. And when you rub your hands on it, you can definitely feel that there's a little difference. This one over here is a lot more coarse and this is a lot more finer, so that's pretty nice. This is just a rubber gasket. This is going to go of your stone, and this is going to keep it in place on your wood, which is right here. Your wood already has a non-stick rubber pad, so when you put it down on the table, it's not going to rub when you're sharpening. So that's pretty nice. And all together, what you're going to do is, I'm going to put that on. You're going to use this angle tool. You're going to put your knife in there. Then you're going to go from blade to there. Pretty much. That's your motion. And you're going to get the full length of the blade. So it has all the instructions on the bottom of the box. So you might want to keep the box if you decide to get a sharpening stone kit like this. And this is cheap. This is only about 20 bucks. There's a lot better ones out there. But to start you off, don't know how to cook, you don't cook often, maybe you got some cheap knives you just want to sharpen up, you can do that pretty easy. The link is going to be in the description below, so if you want to go out and get this sharpening stone kit, you can. And then off to the cutting boards. I'm not sure if we're really going to open this per se. We're just going to pretty much take off this cardboard. If it does. Ugh. So these are the cutting boards. These are bamboo. The great thing about them is they do have a juice little edge around them, so any of your juices that you get are going to fill up into this little crevice here, and that goes all the way around the board, so you're not going to have too much mess. The only thing about bamboo is you need to have a wet cloth or paper towel or something underneath of it, and this is going to make it stick to the table. I'm sure there's some type of rubber or silicone type of grit that you can put on the bottom and it'll do the same thing, but if you don't have any of those, just a damp towel, put it underneath, set it down, it's not going to move when you're cutting things. I will also have this in the description below. I believe this was $22 on Amazon, but you're also getting 3 cutting boards, so that's pretty nice. Other than that, guys, hope you like this video. Hope you take care. If you want to buy any of these products, the stone sharpening kit, or the cutting boards. The link will be in the description below. Anyways, guys, take it easy, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.